Being the proprietor of Amazon subsidiary stores is an extremely productive move, as the individuals who have their very own Amazon store are qualified for loads of advantages fiscally. Right now, we'll principally be featuring the positive parts of owning an Amazon store. 1. A web page having an appeal. It was during the 1990s that the establishment of Amazon Corporation was delved into the ground, and upon the foundation, Amazon increased enormous notoriety in the most recent decade and has developed out to be one of the most adored web-based shopping locales. Presently, Amazon gloats of a completely worldwide dynamic system having in excess of 600 million guests. The partner system of Amazon offshoot stores has a wide system that has just arrived at the 1 million imprint and is expanding at a gigantic rate. So being a partner of one of the main worldwide organizations can be exceptionally productive. This is the essential advantage of Amazon subsidiary stores. 2. Completely coordinated announcing framework. This is an element that causes a partner to keep up record of the snaps that their Amazon store has gotten, and furthermore encourages them to screen the geography of the snap. So this helps a great deal in watching out for the offshoot sites connected to an Amazon store and assists with looking after them. This is one field where Amazon leads the pack from different contenders like eBay, as eBay has exceptionally exacting guidelines for announcing. 3. A program partnered universally. Amazon is a corporation that is based the whole way across the world, and this online store program is additionally subsidiary all-inclusive. Amazon Partner Program is something that has a wide system base with a huge number of individuals. The partner base of Amazon is expanding step by step, yet there is one thing that is generally keeping them down. Not the entirety of the branches of Amazon are permitted to pull items while putting the web interface administration to utilize. 4. Well-organized and sorted out commissions. It is an arrangement that the individuals who are working Amazon member stores will be qualified for some level of the deals that they make. A level framework has been created by Amazon that chooses the rate commissions that a partner is qualified for. This is reasonable to every one of those partners who have their Amazon subsidiary stores. With impressive highlights as referenced above, it isn't astonishing that Amazon subsidiary stores has seen tremendous achievement.